Hi, how are you guys doing? You're finally catching the live. Welcome. I just wanted to do my hair on camera and show you guys like the testing process and kind of explain a little bit how that works, and then testing in my hair, and then I'll wear it for like a week, and then I'll see if it flakes, how it holds up in humidity or in this cold weather right now. Personally, I don't like when my hair just feels like straw and it feels dry. And a lot of gels can do that to your hair. That's why I've been really testing it out to see how I could get a good balance. I'm gonna be testing two different jellies here. They are two different iterations of the gel, and I just want to see what each side is going to do. And this is part of my testing process. I literally will have, a lot of times I'll have 4 sections of my hair, and I will, you know, put this iteration on this side and then this on this side, and then I will really put it to the test. We do have a lot of things in store for this year, so please stay tuned.